The 5 themes of social studies. History. What is history? History, a recording of the past. How do people study history? Is it important to study history? Does history relate to the present at all? Is it possible to erase history? Why would someone want to erase history? Geography. What is geography? Geography, the study of people, places, and the environment. How do we study geography? Government. What is government? Government, people in groups that make laws, make sure they are obeyed, and settle disagreements about them. What are examples of types of government? Who works for the U.S. government? What are government agencies or departments? Economics. What is economics? Economics, the study of how people use their resources by producing, exchanging, and using goods and services. What are resources, goods, or services? Natural, human, and capital resources. Natural resources. Materials supplied by nature. Examples: air, water, soil, trees, forests, wildlife, coal, petroleum, natural gas, and minerals. Human resources. People. Examples: firefighters, nurses, doctors, chefs, teachers, and the list goes on and on. Capital resources. Man-made goods. Capital resources are goods produced and used to make other goods or services. Capital resources help increase productivity. For example, automobiles, building supplies, and so on. Culture. What is culture? Beliefs, customs, laws, art, and ways of living that a group of people share. What are some examples of culture? Values, community, knowledge and stories, language, traditions and rituals, techniques and skills, tools and objects, the arts, food and drink. The 5 themes of social studies can be used to describe and define different things, such as the United States or our school.